This episode is sponsored by Technor Apex, maker of the Zero-G hose, the hose that takes the work out of yard work. And Sashko's Big Stretch Caulking, the caulking that doesn't crack, it just stretches. Sashko makes products that work.
Today we are in Point Pleasant, New Jersey. We're meeting with my friend Jack Taylor. He's been building houses in the area for a few decades. Let's take a look at what he's been working on. Hey, what's up, Jack?
Hey, John. Right through here we got the front door. The owner picked out the door, and this house is about 4,500 square foot, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and I'll take you on a tour all the way through. So this is the foyer right here. We have a powder room right here. The stairs that get upstairs, I'll show you that in a minute. This could be a small rec room or another bedroom, which has its own entrance to another bathroom here. Fireplace over here. We have Anderson windows throughout, cedar impressions on the outside, 2x6 exterior walls, which is the new code, so you get an R19 R value on insulation. We have the truss joists for all our ceiling, which gives a nice span opposed to conventional timbers. Large living room, large kitchen. Everybody wants not formal, they want all open floor plan. So large island, kitchen table. Once again, we use a fiberglass decking system. All fiberglass deck. The stairs will go down here. Then we put up all the PVC railings across the whole front. And also we have another fiberglass deck up top, which comes off the master bedroom. Up here we have a loft area for a little sitting for kids, or if you have a TV or a desk. We have one bedroom right over here to the right, another bedroom over here to the left. We did Crawford ceilings. This is a full bathroom right in here. There's another small bedroom here. Here's where the elevator comes up from the basement to do both the first floor and the second floor. Down here we have the master bedroom. Once again, Crawford ceiling, large jacuzzi tub on a platform. 7-foot shower stall with glass doors, vanity with 2 sinks, and then we have a large master closet which has 2 entries. About 18-foot long closet for him and her, and then we'll do built-ins over here in the middle. Fiberglass deck off the master, which even has a little bit better view than downstairs. Siding is cedar impressions. It's made by CertainTeed. It's got the weave corners. We trim out all the windows with a 5/4 by 4. All AZAC fascia boards. It's got the vinyl soffits, which allows them for ventilation. You can get several colors in this CertainTeed product, and that seems to be the trend right now.
I really like the exterior weave on the siding here.
Yeah, I mean, you can do corner boards. The house next door has corner boards. This one has the weave corners. I can show you the 3rd floor, which adds a lot of square footage to the house. Could be a large rec room, pool table, exercise equipment, or more bedrooms. Come on, let's take a look. See, we're on the 3rd floor level. We have these eaves, which we have egress doors that get in there for extra storage. On the one side here, we have the heating system and the air conditioning system, which is a Rheem system, high efficiency, 2-zone for the house, 2 systems. The 1st floor is heated and cooled by the one that hangs from the garage ceiling underneath the house.
Well, it looks like they're about 2 or 3 weeks away from insulating and sheetrocking this house, and maybe we'll come back then and take another look around. But in the meantime, let's go over and see another house Jack's working on that's almost ready for trim.
This is a new home I'm doing in Bay Head Shores section of Point Pleasant, Anchor Court. As you can see, it's got a 2-car garage. It's got a stone paver driveway. Right here we have a nice planter that she's going to put in the front because she loves a lot of flowers. We got our staircase that takes us right up to the front door. Once again, Anderson windows, cedar impressions, all soffits and fascias are AZAC vinyl. And come on, let's take a look inside the house. This is an AZAC decking board that we did for all the steps and the decks around. It has wraparound porches, and I'm going to do a screen porch on the side. So here's the front entry door. Come on in. They just put the second coat of poly on the floors 2 days ago. So what we'll do, we'll come in here, we'll start trimming, get the whole house trimmed, the bathrooms all tiled, cabinets all installed. When the painter is finally done, everything's done inside, then the third coat of poly will go on and the house is done. Here's our fireplace. We got a vaulted area up in here. Fireplace, this is the living room. Over here we have a large kitchen. Be a nice sized island right here, refrigerator, kitchen sink. Oh, I'm sorry, kitchen sink here, refrigerator, oven down here. Here's our dining room. Here's a side door that takes us right out to a screen porch, future screen porch here. Out here we have an open deck. And on the open deck we have two kinds of balusters, which are code. You need a 36-inch high railing. Right here we have the glass balusters opposed to the regular PVC balusters over here. The glass balusters give for a nice view, a little more costly, but they have glass panels or balusters. We chose the balusters.
Okay, we're back in the shop, and I had a lot of fun. I really like walking around construction sites. I like to see all the new things that are being done, the new technologies. I think this is going to be a new addition to the show, something that I'm going to try and post every 2 or 3 weeks. I can see myself going down and visiting with Jack again and checking on the progress of some of those jobs. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, when you subscribe, hit that little bell and that will let you know each time I post a new video. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.